Hello guys, I'm Halloween Quiz. To tell you in this tutorials how to go for the Gmail recovery in case someone who has stolen your Gmail password, someone who has hacked your Gmail password, someone who has hijacked your Gmail ID. How do you recover it? How do you rescue of your Gmail ID quickly? We will see live here. Unfortunately, one viewer who has recommended to us recover, but here when we come in a Gmail recovery phase, it's essential that we did not provide enough information for the Google to be sure that this account is mine. Means everything has been modified by a hacker. Now, if you would like to recover, then we will have to try and answer his questions shown. So how would I manage of it? We will see live here. By providing sufficient information for the Google, of course we can show this account is mine. So here this is account recovery phase, and if I go for try again, see here what will happen. Here is asking for the password, but we don't have a password, so just we will go for try again. Now here is asking for the OTP on a registered mobile number, we don't have. Now it's saying the more tips to the recovery because we did not provide enough information for the Google. So here we are not going to try. Why it shows because yes, multiple times if I click here, so then what will happen is basically another platform will be open, and there of course we will have to provide via different email proof identity on the basis of Google will recognize or and also justify that this account is mine or not. But total estimated time can be expected more than 48 hours, so of course it will take much more time. So we will come in a Play Store, guys, and they smartly of course we will go for quickly recover of that. So how would I just simply we will here write the browser, and here is a lot of the browser, see lot of the browser, just to see here. Now we will have to do here just with the Opera browser with AI and VPN. Of course it will work fantastically, so just we will go for using of this browser for recovery of Gmail. So just we will cut it from here. It has just started to install. 2-3 crucial steps that we will have to modify. Let's come in a G browser, and thereupon of course we will come in here, and in notification we will have to make it block, so any kind of notification will not be happen, so that there will be no any especially data updates or activities in a Google database server. So now just we will come in especially location we will have to make the precise location disable, and therefore of course we will go for allow don't allow. Here clicks this one. So if you deny this permission, the basic feature of your device may no longer function as intended. Of course we will pick this one, and therefore of course we will cut it from here. Now once again we have the second product, and that is especially Chrome. It's also product of Google. So now let's see on there, and in notification we will have to make it block. So just let me blocks, and therefore of course we will have to come now especially let me back, and see here is having a little bit problem. So once again we will have to come especially the Chrome Center. In the Chrome here we will hold, and of course we will come the help icon, and the notification we have already blocked. So in the permission of course we will have to go for navigate the locations, clicks on before going here. The firstly try to make it disable option this, and thereupon we will select on this and click on it don't allow anyway. Here one more time we will have to back, and in back we have a here remove the permission the free option this page of course, and one more times mistakenly it's done, guys, 2 times. Once again we will come now hold this Chrome, and these are a crucial step, guys. Just we will come in apps browser, and therefore of course browser apps, and here Opera we have the license, and of course we can the closet. Now what we will do, just we will come now especially picks this Opera browser. This is of course we have to not we have to nothing. So guys, this is totally on a artificial intelligence. So just we will have to hit, and we will have to hit, and upon everything will be especially quickly recover. See, just we will go for allow, and upon allowing the now see it's loading. So just we will have to now here the G browser, just we will pick these ones. Let's click on here. Now here we will have to wait, don't click on here, just pick these ones, this will give you more sense. Now here just we will have to recover this ID. So just what we will do, guys, here See, just let me keyboard off this, and we will go for here this ID, yeah, this one ID that we would like to recover. So now we will go for next, and here what's happening, see guys, it's asking password. So just we will go on a forget password, just actual explanation we will have to give here. So just we don't have a especially phone number, so fine. Now see, everything would be a special done itself by device. Now see, this is the distinction that I couldn't sign in. Yo, why is it become more teams to other corps, and of course it can be the possible answer as many questions we can, and they use your device where you have signed in. If I go for track and house, then this account will be freeze because I'm trying to recover the particular ID that doesn't belong to me, and spontaneously, of course. That's why I'm trying to recover by a different browser. So what we will do here, I'm not going to track, otherwise this account would be freeze for time being. So just now, what can I do? Of course, now it's a crucial step that we will have to execute. Come in setting, guys. In setting, of course, you will have an options, and that's a Google service. Just a little bit, scroll up hand upon, of course, scroll. Here is one Google service. The account become the below there. So just tap on it, and here we are on a help icons. In this help options, we will have to pick this one, and upon, of course, here is a special consignments. Now we will have to explain the proper actual reason. Don't you think so? You are having the trouble with the two verification. You can't reset the password and the code by that. So here, just I think so you think someone else is using. So this is a appropriate option here. Now what we will do here, guys? Let's wait, and one, of course, we are going to the secure your accounts. So in a here, just we will come and review your account activities, and here just we will click the find out if your account has been hacked. And here what we will have to do, just we will come on the recovery page of this ones, and the phone, of course. Let's see, we are on here. Once again we will have to enter your Gmail ID that we would like to recover, guys. Now simply what we will do, guys, here, just we will have to go for here, click on to a next. Let's see. Now see, guys, here we have two options. Either we can continue or we can go for change the password. So here just we are going to do it. Click on a change the password. Don't click on a continue. Just click here, cut it here. You have to do no extra activities and the extra intelligence imports here. Just to go for continue means you are going to, of course, once again tap in a Google a strategy to bypass or to especially recover from this emails. Why it's so? Because yes, this account will be trapped in a it's verify you. So these things there you will have to reply answer and report. If there is no recovery email and recovery, of course, phone number, then you won't be able to get OTP. So that's why in that condition leave it. Just click on a change the password. Don't trap in a it's verify you verifications. Now here we will have to enter the new password, create the strong confirm new password, and upon go for change it. So after changing here, what will happen, guys, new password would be generated on this, and upon after coming the security management of your emails, especially in Google's, you will have to add the alternative email and alternative phone number as a recovery, so that any times whatever you would like to do, of course you can. And this is kind of the incidents won't be repeated again in your lives, of course, the more security of your emails in this tags. So this is all about in this video tutorial, guys. Thank you for watching Technology Welfare. Have a great time. Bye bye.